House apartment, up and down, with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, with covered parking garage. Ito po yung kanyang sala, ito yung kanyang dining area, kanyang living room. Ito ang kusina, may built-in cabinets na rin. At ito naman ang bathroom. Merong flush at merong shower. May sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. House apartment na malapit sa highway, malapit sa school at sa market. Yes kids and yes pets allowed. May sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. House apartment ang location sa Imus City, Cavite, Philippines. Hello everyone! Kamusta kayong lahat? Ito po ang video at details ng na-visit natin at na-locate na bahay ngayong June 2025. Ito naman yung kanyang garage. Ito po ang buong bahay. Naka-tiles na ang flooring at bagong pintura. Meron na ring screen door. May provision para sa window type na aircon. Yes ma'am. Yes sir. It's inside subdivision, good community, and flood-free location. Ito naman po yung 2 kwarto. Maganda ang bahay at maganda rin ang location. House apartment with 2 bedrooms with garage ang location sa Imus City, Cavite, Philippines. Update lang po ito. Ngayong June 2025. Open and vacant house apartment sa Imus City, Cavite. Kaya naman, kung meron kayong kakilala na naghahanap ng house and apartment, baka magustuhan nila itong vacant ngayong June 2025. May sarili na tong gate, merong garden. Updated din po itong video. Meron ding laundry area, may sampayan na rin. Maganda yung bahay at maganda rin ang location. House apartment, 2-story na bahay up and down with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with garage sa Imus City, Cavite.